Hello guys, good morning. Before the day end, let me start your day. Sure. Let me start showing their works today. Start continuing the wall of Nomad's office or the hallway. So when you enter, this is kitchen, living room. Nomad's office is getting done. Maybe today this will be up all blocks. And in this side, the hallway side, the same thing. Nomad's office. And this is the second bedroom. They keep putting blocks. The CR. Then the master bedroom. Yeah. So still they are not yet touched in this side. And master CR. Oh, oh. Doorway. Then this is the master's bedroom CR. So this is the wall from master bedroom to hallway. So that's for this time, guys. I will show you later for more improvement. As you see, guys, you see the wire and in the house. We will just transfer that one to here because this will be we will put the roof, so we need to transfer that in the other way. So let me show you how they do the pole, or they put the pole for the wire. And this is the pole for the wire, guys. So we will put that, that here in this hole. So they just paint it, so they wait it for the paint dry. So guys, let me show you the front side of the house. This is the front side of the house. This is the doorway, the main the main door, that one. And then in this side, the right side is here. And this is our septic. This is the septic. And on this side, we put here the sliding door. This is the sliding door. Wait. Oh my god. Sliding door and living room side. Sliding door. Then it's the master bedroom. Well, we don't know yet about this side. The plan, Nomad plan to put window, or he did not yet kanang, what they call this one, decide if he put window or door in that side, because in this side he planned to put the swimming pool. So and backside, the backside, this is the master bedroom, comfort room. That window for master bedroom, comfort room, and the other window is the common comfort room, and this side is the second bedroom. So, and this left side of the house, where you can see the kitchen, Nomad's office, and the second bedroom. So as you can see, Nomad's office is, they already molded the window. And this side, the doorway of the kitchen. So that's it. This is the kitchen, and that side is the living room. That's so we about to put the pool in the hall.
Tuntun di utunon. Tuntun di utunon. Ngitag tuntun ba? Ito ang takoy tuntun na. Ako ang tuntun na ini. Kung tuntun ang tuntun na.
This is the second bedroom. They already started putting the filing the hollow blocks at the back. Sayang.
Ito yung sa hangir para di na kuan sa tubig ba. Oh, gulmay. Sudah kabalik.
Hi guys, I gonna show you the improvement of today's work. So the kitchen and the living room is not yet touched. So here in Nomad's office is it's almost done. There is a window already and the door. Door, door. Yeah. And in this second bedroom, they starting putting the wall at the back. So they already mold. No, they molding the window already also. And this is the CR. The CR is almost done also. The two CR, the common CR and the master bedroom CR. And this one, they already filed high also. It's almost done. And this side, the master bedroom side, it's getting there also. So here, the the living room, the sliding door of the living room is not yet touched also. Living room and the kitchen, as usual, the not yet touched. And this is the front side of the house. So let's go guys, let's enter to the main door. This is the main door. Oh my god. So as you see, the hallway is almost done also. So let me show you the inside of the rooms. So this is the CR, the common CR. Common CR. Yeah, that's the window of the common CR. And in this side, this is Nomad's office. So the window, the door, it's almost done. And in the second bedroom, the progress of the second bedroom is that side. They already filed and mold the window. That's the back side. So here, maybe tomorrow they will touch that. Tomorrow, maybe. So let's go to the master bedroom. So here is the doorway of the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. So almost done in that side. And in this side, the progress of this side is the comfort room of the master bedroom, which is this whole thing here. So let's go inside of the comfort room. Oh my god. So the doorway. So this one, see you guys, that's the new one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it's getting high that guys. So from here, this is the walk-in closet in this side, walk-in closet. Then this side is the shower and the bathroom. I mean, yeah, the toilet. Yeah, bathroom. So they already have also the window. So that's it for today's video, guys. Oh my god. Oh. Bye.